if you have received NPCIL, NPS Arrears as part of Defined Contribution Pension Scheme 2025 of NPCIL, and you have submitted Form 10E in the form of Annexure 1 to the employer, and you are trying to file Form 10E on e-filing portal, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to file Form 10E on e-filing portal. So this is Annexure 1 that you have already submitted to the employer, and keep it handy for filing on e-filing portal of income tax. If it is not there, then just download from IBA, because this data will be required on e-filing portal. So just log in to this e-filing portal, and under this tab e-file, the second tab is income tax forms. The first one, that is file income tax form, just click here. You will land on this page. Under this page, click on this heading Forms as per Income Tax Act 1961. Here you will find multiple forms, and further, if you have already tried filing this Form 10E, you will find a list here. You can continue by clicking on resume. Uh, Otherwise, just browse the list for Form 10E. Uh, this list is extendable, so just extend the list so that you can find the Form 10E. So here tax exemption and relief Form 10E is mentioned. Click here on File Now. Here you need to select assessment year. So assessment year will be as per the Annexure 1 that you have already submitted to the employer. And for this case, this is assessment year 2026-27. So choose the assessment year correctly. Otherwise, the whole process of filing will not be correct. So choosing the assessment year 2026-27, click on continue. Then let's get started. Here, multiple check boxes are available. Select first one, that is arrears salary/pension, Annexure 1. Click on continue. Here, personal information, you need to validate it. Just click here and check this information. And if it is not correct, especially that residential address, you can go to profile section and correct it from there. Just save it, and it will mark as completed. The next one is arrears salary family pension. Under click on this provide details, and here multiple boxes are there. So first one is total taxable income excluding salary family pension received in the arrears. So this data need to be filed from form 16, which have been provided by the employer, in that case that NPCIL. So I have a sample form, and it's a sample data that the first one mentioned that the total income, and this data need to be filed in the first box. And in the sample data, it's 26 lakhs. So then just I am filling that data. This will remain non-activated once you file complete the filing of this annexure 1. This will get automatically filled. So you may see that multiple boxes are getting automatically filled. So tax on total income as per taxpayer, that is item number 3. Uh, Remember, this also need to be filled from form 16. Here in the sample data, it is given here the total tax as per item number 3 is 4,52,286. Just seeing here, 4,52,286. Just remember again, this data need to be filed from the form 16. That is the total taxes paid as per the data you have entered. Now, table A, see item number 7 of Annexure 1. Here onward, you need to fill all details that you have already given to the employer. That is, here it is mentioned table A, and same thing is mentioned here also. So this is the exact same form that has been submitted to the employer. So click on add details. Here you need to select the previous year, and that previous year is mentioned in this table A of Annexure 1. So in this sample data, the previous year, this you may also note that the heading of the column is almost same as that mentioned in the e-filing portal. So it's a quite easy. So in this case, the previous year is 2013-14. So selecting 2013-14. That amount also need to be mentioned, which is already given 2,57,030. It is automatically reflecting here in my case because I have already tried filing this earlier. So salary, pension received in arrears. So how much arrears you have received, that this column it mentions, that is column number 3, and it is 7,097. 7,097 is there, and tax on total income as per column 2. So what was the tax on total income? This is column 2, and total income was 2,57,030, and for that the total tax was, here it is mentioned, tax on total income as per column number 2. So it is 3,814. 3,814 filling here. You may notice that some of the boxes are getting automatically filled. So this e-filing portal is back calculating and reflecting in the boxes. Here tax on total income as per taxpayer as per column number 4. That is the tax which has been calculated after getting the arrears. So this column number 4 is uh, income in that year, that is 2013-14, plus the area received or deemed to be received in that year. So total income has become or has increased, and accordingly tax will increase, and that tax is in column number 6, and which is 4545 in this case of sample form. So filling this data 4545, you may notice that the difference tax amount is getting automatically calculated, and it is 731 in this sample case, and ensure that this data is matching with the form uh, you have submitted to the employer. So the column title also mentioned difference in tax. So it is 731 and it is exactly matching. So if these things is okay, then just click on add. So it will reflect in tabular form here. If you want to edit the data, just click on check or check the box, and this edit button will get highlighted. And after clicking on edit, this you can edit the data. Save. Adding further data because multiple years need to be added. So just click on add details again and select that previous year, and the previous year, and that 2013-14 already filled. So the next previous year will be 2014-15. And the same way you can fill all these data and just click on add, and this data will reflect here. So further moving ahead, I would like to add a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose, and I am not a qualified professional or a tax consultant. If you have any doubt or need clarification, please consult a registered professional of official tax advisor for official tax advice or clarification. Thank you.